Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to burn fat and keep muscle. Start by setting a modest calorie deficit and tracking intake carefully. Emphasize protein at each meal and schedule resistance sessions 3 to 5 times weekly. Keep cardio purposeful and shorter when needed to avoid undue muscle loss. Hydrate and sleep well because recovery supports performance and body composition changes in a sustainable way. When your goal is fat loss without muscle loss, prioritize progressive resistance and compound movements. Train with enough volume to signal muscle maintenance while avoiding extremes that impair recovery. Schedule 2 to 4 focused resistance sessions and mix in short cardio sessions for calorie burn. Track strength rather than scale alone and adjust load or volume based on performance trends to keep muscle tissue protected while body fat decreases. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and tap like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make meal prep easy and keep your high-protein lunches neat and portable, which helps you stick to your plan. They stack well, seal tightly, and are great for portion control. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Nutrition is the backbone of preserving muscle while burning fat, so make protein a priority across the day. Eat mostly nutrient-dense whole foods and plan carbs around training for energy and recovery. Keep a sustainable calorie deficit and use occasional refeed days if progress stalls. Track trends in strength and body composition, and be ready to tweak intake based on how you feel and perform in the gym.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.